चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And viewers, we are live and breaking. Let's go ahead to some breaking updates coming in right now. We're getting some more breaking news. This is the Karnataka sex tape scandal that we are tracking. And after Prajwal Revanna had in a video, released a video saying that he'll be back in a few days' time. And remember, Republic has refused to air that video. We're getting some more updates coming in. What we're learning right now, viewers, are top reactions coming in on the story. At this point of time, what we see is that the Home Minister of Karnataka, G. Parameswara, has reacted to this development, and he has said that he has seen the video and that the SIT will take further course of action. The Home Minister seems puzzled over why Prajwal Revanna made that video. We have that entire conversation. Let's play it out.
I also saw the video, and he has said that he will appear before the SIT at 10 o'clock in the morning, 31st. So now then the legal process will continue.
So will he be arrested in the airport? Will he be arrested, or what if he surrenders?
No, if he surrender means, because there is already a blue corner notice, there is already 41A where he has to appear before the SIT. All these notices have been given, and charge sheet on so many things will be done later. Now we have to find. I also saw the video, and he has said that he will appear before the SIT at 10 o'clock in the morning, 31st. So now then the legal process will continue.
So will he be arrested in the airport? Will he be arrested, or what if he surrenders?
No, if he surrender means, because there is already a blue corner notice, there is already 41A where he has to appear before the SIT. All these notices have been given, and charge sheet on so many things will be done later. Now we have to find out the truth. I also saw the video.
All right, let's go ahead. Right now, Prajwal is joining us live right now. Prajwal, I'm coming across to you at this point of time. If you could take our viewers through all the top details that we are learning of after Prajwal Revanna released a video, and Republic is not giving platform to somebody who has been accused of such kind of acts. If you could take our viewers through where the investigation stands and what did the Karnataka Home Minister say on the investigation, which is still ongoing.
Shivangi, more or less it is decided that once Prajwal Revanna lands in India, he will be more or less picked up from the immigration in itself, and that is the due procedure which will have to be followed in accordance to the law as well. So a team of SIT sleuths will be picking him up from the immigration in itself, from the Kempegowda International Airport. But at what time he is going to come is something that needs to be seen, whether he will come on the intervening night of 30th or whether he will be landing on the 31st of May, and will he be given an opportunity to directly go ahead and come to the SIT and surrender. So that is something that needs to be seen. Secondly, also what the Home Minister is also mentioning is that there is already a lookout notice which has also been issued as well, meaning to state that more or less he will have to be arrested and taken into custody as soon as he lands on Indian soil. And now looking at the investigation as well, today the special investigation team has gone ahead and received a report from the Forensic Science Lab about these these videos as well, which was being circulated as well, to verify whether they are true or not. And depending on that, they are going ahead and conducting an analysis on their own in the technical wing part of it. And on the legal front, there are two cases which are going on simultaneously, one with the People's Representative Court and one with the Karnataka High Court. Now, Bhavani Revanna, who is the mother of Prajwal Revanna, the wife of H.D. Revanna, her bail hearing is going to be heard at 2:45 because it was adjourned, where the judge invited her to go ahead and where the judge invited the SPP to go ahead and file the objections. Meanwhile, about those who circulated the pen drive and these videos, their bail hearing is now adjourned to June 3rd. So we will have to look in at all these developments that are coming in, as well as the pending bail hearing as well.